Anyang popcorn! Hindi ko talaga alam kung girl ko or boy, pero hula ko na lang na if August 5 ka ipapanganak, isa kang Sowon. And if August 8, isa kang tunay na Dominican. Tanong mo na lang si Oma kung ano yun. And you've been doing a great job so far and growing well. So keep it up. I hope that you stay a great baby. Popcorn to your mommy. We love you. See you soon.
Anyang popcorn, I'm your Tita Marga, your favorite tita, di ka palang aware. And I think you're a boy. And I hope you grow up kind, respectful, and above all else, happy. Di ka pa namin nakikita, but know that we already love you and can't wait to meet you. Bye! See you later!
That's it for the messages, Popcorn. Your other titos and titas were too shy to send us videos. So as a bonus here, we are at 35 weeks. Bye!